Hello and welcome to this Key Stage 3 Maths assessment. Here you've got around about 41 very different types of questions ranging from mental arithmetic to maths reasoning questions as well. So you'll have to try and work out every single question independently of each other, not using a calculator. But let's have a look at question number 3 as an example. So the question here is 1.36 divided by 0.4. So here, let's do 1.36 divided by 0.4. And remember, the most important thing here is you do not use a calculator, because using a calculator, you can come up with any answer in the world, but doesn't necessarily mean that you've actually understood what you're doing. So here we've got 0.4. Now it's very difficult to divide a number by 0.4 because it's a decimal. So what we're going to do is, from here, we're going to move this decimal to the end here from the left hand side to make it just 4, and we're going to get rid of the 0. So what we're doing is we're just going to turn this into a 4 because we've got rid of that particular decimal here, remember? So we're just moving it to the right. Now what we're going to do is, because we've moved it to the right, we're now going to move this decimal point to the right here as well, and we're going to stick it there to make 13.6 as opposed to 1.36 that we had before. Now let's work this out now. So 4 cannot go into 1. Join 1 and 3 together to make 13. 4 goes into 13 3 times, because 4 times 3 is 12. And that decimal point comes to the top now. Just put the remainder there, 1 next to 6 to make 16. How many times does 4 go to 16? 4 goes into 16 4 times. That means in this case now, our answer is 3.4 or 3.40. You don't necessarily have to have that 0 at the end, but you can do if you want, as our options can be seen there. And that's how you work out division decimals, starting with 0 points at the beginning. Okay, good luck with the rest of the questions. Like always, we'll go through these questions one by one in our follow-up classes. Thank you.